GD explained. Geometry Dash, levels, controversy and terms. Geometry Dash looks like a simple cube jumping over spikes. But behind that simple gameplay is one of the hardest, most intense games ever made. From insane levels to massive controversy, here's everything you need to know about GD. In this video, we're breaking down what Geometry Dash is, how it works, popular levels like Boobawamba GD, what terms like CBF mean, the controversy around the game, and the idea of the 7 levels, or difficulty system. Let's get into it. What Geometry Dash is? Geometry Dash is a rhythm-based platformer created by Robert Topola, also known as RobTop. The concept is simple. You control a cube, you jump over obstacles, everything syncs to music. But here's the catch. One mistake, and you restart from the beginning. That's what makes the game so addictive and challenging. Why GD is so hard? Geometry Dash is known for its extreme difficulty. Levels require perfect timing, fast reaction speed, and memorization of patterns. As you progress, levels become faster, more complex, and visually intense. Some custom levels take players thousands of attempts to complete. Difficulty levels, 7 levels of GD. In Geometry Dash, levels are categorized by difficulty. The core system includes easy, normal, hard, harder, insane, demon. And demon itself has sub-levels. Easy demon, medium demon, hard demon, insane demon, extreme demon. When people talk about the 7 levels of GD, they're usually referring to this progression of difficulty, especially leading up to demon levels, the hardest content in the game. Popular levels. The GD community creates custom levels and some go viral. One example is Boobawamba GD, which is part of the game's massive user-generated content scene. These levels often feature unique designs, creative gameplay mechanics, custom music, and effects. Community levels are what keep Geometry Dash alive, with millions of levels created by players worldwide. What does CBF mean in GD? In the Geometry Dash community, CBF can stand for different things depending on context, but it's often used informally to mean can't be finished for extremely hard or nearly impossible levels, or general slang like can't be bothered. Like most gaming communities, GD has its own inside terminology, and meanings can shift depending on how players use them. Geometry Dash has had its share of controversy over the years. Extreme difficulty debates. Some levels are considered nearly impossible. Verification drama. Players arguing over whether a level was legitimately completed. Top player rivalries. Long waits for updates, especially the highly anticipated 2.2 update. These controversies have actually helped grow the game's popularity, keeping the community active and engaged. Despite being released years ago, Geometry Dash is still huge because it's simple to learn but hard to master. The community creates endless new content. It has a competitive scene with top players. The music and visuals are highly engaging. It's not just a game, it's a platform for creativity and skill. Geometry Dash is a rhythm-based platformer where players complete increasingly difficult levels with precise timing, often created by a global community of players. If you want a breakdown of the hardest Geometry Dash levels ever made or tips on how to improve your gameplay, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gaming breakdowns that actually make sense.